Children, we are learning transformation of sentences. Today, let us understand transformation of sentences. Begin with not only. Here I have written few sentences. I will explain. She writes plays for television. She acts in movies. When you rewrite this sentence beginning with not only, something you should remember. The main thing is you will find the verb and you have to break the verb if it is a main verb by using do, does and did. If it is simple present and also third person singular, you will use does. If it is right, simple present, there you will use do. And if it is wrote, that means simple past, you will use did. How to break it? When it is writes, does plus write. If it is write, do plus write. If it is wrote, did plus write. Then you will start writing the sentence. And as it is writes, let me give you the answer. Begin with not only. Not only and immediately after not only, verb should come. So here as you have done the breaking over here, you will write first does. Not only does, it says that the verb of it. After that, the subject will come. Not only does she, as we have done the breaking here by using does plus write it is. So, not only does she write plays for television, and this full stop you will remove, you will put the comma there, and after that you should use, whenever you are using not only, along with that but also you should use. They will not give, begin with not only they say. And you should know when we are rewriting the sentence by using not only, we are supposed to use but also. So not only does she write plays for television, comma, the second sentence you have to combine it, but she acts also in movies. Understand here, when you begin the sentence with not only and when you combine the second sentence, how to use but also. After the full stop, you remove the full stop and put the comma there and we use but. The verb, subject and verb, you will copy that only, but she adds, then you will use also in the sentence. Understood? Now the second sentence. Here the verb is sent. As it is writes, we use does, and sent is the simple past. So how to break it? Did plus send. So how to write this sentence? Not only did I send him many letters, as I have said there, you will write but before but, comma, but I tried also to telephone him. But I tried also to telephone him. Now the third, here the verb is, it is an auxiliary verb, helping verb. Can is there. So how do you write? Not only, here no need of any breaking. Not only can she dance, comma, but she can also sing. Full stop. So here, when you are having the helping verb, you will copy that only. And now the next one, again a helping verb, was is there. So not only was she upset, comma, but she was also angry. Full stop. Now the last sentence, I tell you how to use not only. When the sentence is, you are asked to begin the sentence with not only, these are the rules. When you are using not only, there is no need of breaking the verb. So how to write it? He can not only make people laugh, comma, here you will write but also together. But also can, no need to repeat the sentence, can make them, no need to repeat the subject, can make them cry. I hope you have understood. Here I have not begin the sentence with not only, but I have used not only. When you use not only, then it is, this is the way. There if you are not putting the comma also, that will go. But he can not only make people laugh, but also can make them cry. So these are the rules to remember when you use not only in your transformation of sentences. I hope you have understood. You try to practice some more sentences from your language book.